All right. So I want you to just take a look at our calendar. We have one whole cookie. We have a chomp. We have a half, two halves, which make a whole. We have gulp, gulp. What do you think's underneath this square? What are you thinking? Madison. A cookie with 3 equal pieces? Who has a different idea? Brady?
A whole half.
A whole cookie?
Yeah.
Any other ideas, Adele?
A fourth.
A fourth. What does a fourth mean?
Fourth means it has 4 pieces.
It has 4 pieces. Who thinks they know what the number underneath is? Daniel.
5.
5. Let's take a look. So I want you to think about it. What do we call this kind of cookie? What do we call this? Do we call it a whole, a half, or a fourth? I want you to raise your hand and tell me. So I'm going to change this back to a fourth. So this was my mistake. Yesterday, when I was doing number corner, I forgot to write in here. I want you to take a look at the gulp, gulp, and come up with a sentence or a story problem that explains this cookie or half a cookie. Why do you think it says gulp, gulp 2 times? Camden.
Because 2 dogs ate it.
Because 2 dogs gulped up a half, right? One gulped up this half of the cookie. The other dog gulped up the other half, right? So I'm going to write.
And they're kind of making a fishy.
The dogs each gulped half a cookie. What about today? I want to know if that is a whole, a half, or a fourth. Maddie,
A 4.
how do you know that?
That says 4 and 4 and 4.
Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like our card. Do you see that? It looks just like our cookie. It's a fourth.
Not really.
It's called 1 over 4. A fourth. That's the fraction.
A 4th.
Oh, we're not flirting. Yes, Adele.
I see a pattern. It's 1, one of the fish will make chomp 1, and then 2 glub glub, and then 5, and then 4. We don't know what animal it would be, or what word it will take, but there will be 4 things.
Did everyone just hear that? She got the pattern. I'm going to bring my computer closer so my friends at home can see. But Miss Adele said that, look it, there's 1 whole cookie, so there's only 1 animal and 1 word. Then there were 2 parts to this cookie. Then there were 2 animals and 2 words. Now there are 4 parts, a fourth. And she's thinking there's going to be 4 animals and how many words? Show me with your fingers. 4 words, maybe. We'll have to find out tomorrow at Number Corner. All right, let's put our X here. How many days in school? We're getting pretty good at this. So I'm going to erase it. I want you to think about how you're getting that answer. Yesterday was 45. Dominic?
I'm like 40, and then I added 6.
What is 40 plus 6?
46.
46. So he knew that there were 4 groups of 10 that we know that's 40, because count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 groups of 10 is 40. And we can see that there's a 5 and a 1, which is 6. 46. Madison?
I started at 20, and then I did another 20, and
plus 20 more? 40. And what's 6 more? What's 40 and 6? 46. Good job, Lucas. So do that with me.
Oh, go.
10, 20, 30, 40, and then 6 more. Good. Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10. Daniel.
I did it with, I started, I had 30, and I added 6, and then I added a 10.
Ooh, you had 30 and added a 6 and a 10. And that is 46. I want you to take a close look at, this is a hundredths chart, remember? So what would be half of it? How many would be half? If this is a hundredths chart and I'm cutting it in half. John? 50. So let's pretend we have 50. So that means this would all be built. But we don't have 50. How many would we have to take away to get to our number 46? Take a look. So if we start with 50, how many do we have to take away to get to 46? Camden?
4.
How did you figure that out?
Because I went by 2s because I went 2, 4.
Yeah, so I want to show my friends at home because it might be kind of far away. So if we want to fill up all of this chart, that would be 100. But I asked, what is half of it? And you all told me 50. How many would I need to subtract to get to my 46? Camden said there's only 4 there, 2, 4. So we know that 50 take away 4 is 46. That is some good thinking. We're going to play a game. I am going to hold up a card, and you need to show me using both hands or fingers, both sets of hands with your fingers, the number that you see. Are you ready? So look at the top row and the bottom row and show me with your fingers. So if you're at home, I want you to do this game as well. Yes, Dawn. I'm going to just hold it up. So I'm not going to flash it. I'm just going to hold it up so you will be able to see it. Remember, look at the top row and the bottom row. You're going to use both hands. Friends at home, make sure you're doing this too. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of you do it a different way. So what is this number, everyone?
6.
You knew it right away. Here is the point of the game. So I'm seeing some of my friends go like this, right? So 5 and 1 is 6. I'm seeing some go like this. 4 and 2 is 1. And then I'm seeing some friends go like this. 3 and 3 is 6. Here is the game. We need to make doubles. So both hands need to be the same. I want you to try that. Both hands need to be the same. Both hands need to be the same to get 6 all together. We're making doubles.
3.
So here's an example. There's 3 on each side, and that equals 6. So I want you to go like this. 3 and 3. Now move your hands like this, and we're going to match them up. Do you see how they match? So that is called a double. Let's try another one. Are you ready? Remember, we're making doubles. Try this one. Show me with your fingers. So I'm seeing you go like this. We know that 4 and 4 is 8. Go like this and make sure it matches. Does it match? Yep, so you know it's a double. What if I want you to show me 4? Show me 4. What could you do on both sides to equal 4? What two numbers would make 4? That is a double. Good. I'm seeing you go like this. Let's see if that works. 2 on one side, 2 on the other. Does it match? Yes, it's a double. What about 10?
No. Yep. It is.
Show me with your fingers. 10.
10.
That's all 10 fingers. 5 and 5. Is that a double?
Yeah.
Does it match? Yeah. That's a double. What about 2? What about 2 all together? Adele, you should be doing this. 2 all together. 1 and 1. Match it. That's a double. Good job. So we're going to continue working with doubles throughout first grade. But right now I want you to tiptoe back to your desk. Nice work. Bye, friends.